My name is RJ Helmick, and I am from King William, Virginia. I guess ever since from like 14 and up, I've always wanted to chase being a welder. I have multiple family members that do it, and RCC has been like the best place that everybody's recommended me to, and figured I'd give it a shot, and they ended up helping me out a little bit, and that's what really made me come here. The instructors are amazing, and everybody else I've met here nice too. I've already done my pulse MIG test. If somebody has a question, they just walk up and ask me too about it, and I try to help them out the best I can with it as well, just to try to take a little stress off of the instructor from running around and stuff like that. Other students do it too. I see everybody else doing it. People that are higher up than me, they even help me out with it too. I hope by next summer I'll have all the certifications that I really want, and then I hope after that I can get in, because my buddy, he's already offered me a job. Once I get my certifications, he's gonna put me in a mobile welding truck, and I'm gonna go out and do my own thing with him until I can get funded myself and start my own thing. I don't pay for anything besides the shirt that I wear. They supplied my helmet, my boots, my gloves, schooling. I haven't paid nothing for that. Try G3 and graduate debt-free.